Hello and welcome to a new video of Human Made. This time I'm showing you the update and the growth cycle of my lily bulbs that I planted. These are 38 days old now, and you can see here that they are growing already. Very good. And they are all eaten by snails, as you can see. That's not so good, but they're still growing. That's a good thing. We are now on day 47. You can see here some flowers forming, so that's good. And you can see that the leaves are all eaten by snails. And this one also. And the one in the middle is all eaten up, but it doesn't come up further than this. You can see here. Oh, there's a little one. And this one has two. So I don't know what happened with that. We are now on day 55 and they have grown a lot, as you can see. You can see here that they have two growth points and already had some flowers forming. And this one has all been eaten by snails and they won't come up then. So just watch out for snails, because if they bite the whole stalk off, they won't grow. This one has not formed any flowers. This one has, as you can see. I will focus with my camera now. You can see here the flowers forming. That's good. And this is a baby lily that I planted, and I will show you in the comments description which video that is, so that you can watch how I propagate these lilies if you find it interesting. We are now on a day 93 and you can see here flowers forming. This is the one that's going to flower first, I guess. You can see here. These are growing a lot. And look at how tall it is now. And you can see here also some flowers forming. And we are now on day 102 and the first flowers are here. Look at the bright yellow with the little spots in the middle. So cute. Look at that. I find them very pretty, but yeah, they flower so short, so that's making me a little sad. But yeah, they're here. And these are forming as well. But I like these flowers a lot because they're very big. So I like them a lot. I had a pot full of lily bulbs and they all died, so I'm a little bit sad. But I still have these now, so that's good. And now we are 116 days and these are flowering too now. But they are a little bit misformed, and I think it's because I had, when these are forming, I did not water them and it was very warm here, so I think it's my own fault. These were the yellow flowers that had flowered, and now you can see they are done with flowering and they look like that. These ones are growing very tall, as you can see, and the flowers are gonna be a little bit pink, I guess, as you can see here. So that's nice. We're gonna see what's going on there, because I don't know what the color will be. It was a surprise. And now we are on day 119 and you can see the last lily. It's so pretty, very pink. This one hasn't flowered yet because these ones are all misformed on this flower stalk. And you can see here, look at that pretty color. A little bit of white in the middle and surrounding by pink. Very cute. And now I have shown you how these will grow. These are the little babies I planted in here, and I will show you the video how I do that also in the comments or in the description. And then I am thanking you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Bye bye.